Students, today we are going to discuss about the last compound of aluminium in unit P block elements. Compounds of aluminium. Here we studied it's an important compound named alums. The common formula of alums is M2SO4 whole taken 3 24H2O. Here M is known as a metal. This one is monovalent and this one is trivalent. Monovalent metal and trivalent metal. Here we take some examples of monovalent and trivalent ionic form. For monovalent, we know that all first A group metals are make their cations. All ions of first A group elements have single unit positive charge. The elements of first A group, also known as alkaline metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Here we take some examples of monovalent ions, like as Na plus, K plus potassium ion, cesium ion, rubidium ion, and also in another group belong D block and P block. In D block, silver, Ag plus, tellurium in P block, T plus and ammonium ion, NH4 plus. And for trivalent metal, you know that we studied third A group in unit P block elements. In the case of their electronic configuration, we know that 3 electrons are available in the last orbital of third A group elements. So, aluminium make their triple positive ion. So here, for example, of trivalent metals, Al triple plus, Cr triple plus, Mn 3 plus, Fe iron 3 plus, and cobalt CO 3 plus are the examples of monovalent and trivalent ions. So we take some examples and categorize the type of alums and explain with their chemical formula and their molecular formula with name. So types of alum. Are examples of alum. First example with sodium metal. So its formula is, its common formula is M2SO4 SO4 का होल टेकन 3 24H2. Example Na2SO4 Al2SO4 का होल टेकन 3 and 24H2. It is known as soda element or sodium element. Now second example is most important because it is a sturdy compound of this elements. K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole taken 3 and 24H2. This is known as potassium, also known as potassium element. Now third, NH4 whole taken 2 SO4 Al2SO4 whole taken 3 24H2. It is known as ammonium element. Now some other examples of elements. K2SO4 Cr2SO4 whole taken 3 and 24H2. It is known as chrome element. For ferric element, NH4 whole taken 2 SO4 FeSO4 whole taken 3 and 24H2. This one is known as ferric element because here ferrous sulfate is used as a dual salt. Fe2SO4 का whole taken 3. This one is known as ferric element. So these are the examples of elements or the types of elements. Now we goes on the study of potassium or potassium. First we discussed about the preparation method of potassium, then their properties and uses. Potassium. Its molecular formula is K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole taken 3 24H2. It is also known as a dual salt because here two salts are available. One is known as potassium sulfate and other is known as aluminium sulfate. Now formation method. Of potassium. when potassium sulfate K2SO4 react with aluminium sulfate Al2SO4 whole taken 3 with their hydrated form 24H2, then it gives potassium K2SO4 and Al2SO4 whole taken 3 and 24H2. Now we discuss the properties of potassium. Properties of potassium. Its physical state is solid. Also we say that this category of solid state is known as crystalline solid. Its color is white. In pure form also it is looking like as a colorless substance, like as a sodium chloride salt or edible salt crystal. Now third, it is smellless or odorless. It is soluble in water and also quick soluble in hot water. So these are the physical properties. Now next properties, effect of temperature. Effect of temperature. It makes burnt alum because their crystalline water is substituted in the effect of temperature according to this chemical reaction. K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole taken 3 24H2 is heated at high temperature, then it subtracted their crystalline water to form K2SO4 and Al2SO4 whole taken 3. It is known as burnt alum. And substituted their crystalline water. If burnt alum is also heated at a high temperature, then it substituted their salt. K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole taken 3 is heated at higher temperature to break in the form of K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole taken 3. This one is known as potassium sulfate. And this one is known as aluminium sulfate. This reaction shown the effect of temperature. So now we discussed about the important uses of potassium. Uses. For the purification of water. As a bacteria killer, it is also used in medical sector for the preparation of antiseptics. It is used for the formation of antiseptics. It is also used for the coagulation of blood. And most important compound in paper, leather and cloth industry. So these are the important uses of potassium. Students, here we completed the all compound of aluminium. Another class we discussed about the second section of this unit, P block elements. You know that this unit is distributed in two parts. One is third A and another is fourth A. So third A group elements is completed here. Now next we start fourth A group elements in next class. Here we studied carbon family compounds. First we discussed about the position of fourth A group elements in periodic table by the basis of electronic configuration, valency, oxidation state, atomic radius, their chemical behavior. Then we goes on the study of silicon compounds and carbon compounds.